just took a break for lunch, and lo and behold, we got a call. Something about a smoked brake caliper and the wheels stuck or something. A no-show. So we're heading down to no-show to see what's going on. If you can't tell, it stormed out last night, so there's little tiny creeks running all over this place.
Hot, muggy.
Yeah.
80 degrees, but it's going to be 85, but it feels like 92.
Huh. False alarm. It was just the emergency brake that was stuck on, and they got it figured out.
Yep.
So we'll head back and catch up with our rental Jeep and see how that's doing. They're doing UA Alley. The rental Jeep's coming down out of UA Alley. They did it backwards. Now, driver. That's good. There you go. Well, we don't have a real recovery, an off-road recovery, but we have a Jeep that's at the wash station that, well, they think they might have intruded, got some water in the engine or something. Anyway, we're going to tow it back to the campground, and they'll deal with it there.
We got a Jeep that's overheating and just stalling out and shutting off. She drives around, comes to a stop, shuts off. Check engine light on, needs to go back to West 40.
Oh, Gene, passenger. More passenger.
What?
Oh, stop, stop, stop. Oh, stop. Oh, Gene.
Ooh.
Hold up, everyone. Perfect. Under or over?
Over. Like, well, yeah. I think.
Ready to go back to camp. We just got too much mud in the radiator, we think, and it's overheating and shutting the Jeep off. The wash station here just has garden hoses, so we're going to take it back to camp where we actually have a pressure washer and let her wash out the radiator, and that should take care of it.
Okay, Gene, hold on.
Well, I like to see other people with recovery skills. And using a Yankum donut to redirect the winch line was a great choice.
Down between that rock and that rock. Can you see him? No, I cannot. Okay. And then driver.
Okay, we got her back to the repair zone. They think they got the radiator all cleaned out, and they think it's something else. So they're gonna put a code scanner on it and see what's going on. Oh! So it's day 3 of our weekend up here at Gilbert, and we just got a call. It's not for a woman this time, not for a Jeep. It's for a motorcycle that, I don't know, it's, having trouble on Hercules, which is a very, very, very steep hill. I don't know what the scoop is, but we'll go see if we can help them out. I don't know if Chris can hear you. Can I ask for Chris?
Let's go at the winch.
All right.
Yeah, just go around the regional bar path.
Middle of your handlebar. Like and subscribe.
I have no money on me either.
You don't need to worry about that.
Sure.
Okay. Oh, the rental, yeah.
Not through your cable stuff. Yep.
Give me some free spool.
One from every angle. You can just make the cut, like clip them and stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me know when you're ready, gang.
Hook me over here.
Oh, sorry. You're okay, man. You're good.
You got it looped through there?
Yep.
Is it looped through itself?
No, it doesn't look like
It looks like you just threw a lap.
Yeah, you wanna
Gotcha.
loop
Here,
the other
just
end.
stick this through that hole.
Yeah. Taking attention out.
Wait.
One second.
Yeah. Perfect.
You were so close.
Yeah, put it in the middle. Slide it in the middle.
Yeah, he made it up here. He slid back.
Hold it, Blake. I'm not quite locked in. Give me a little. There we go.
Ready to catch it on each side.
Yep.
Evan, do you need help balancing that?
I don't know. I got him.
Okay.
All right, go ahead. Hold that. You just stood up. Coming nice and slow now.
It won't matter.
Take off the full brake for sure. No, you're good. Hold up, boys. Here on the outside.
Ivan, do you want my rope around you? Ready?
They gotta get in neutral. Don't worry about taking it out of gear. No, don't worry. Don't worry about taking it out of gear. We just gotta keep it upright.
Okay.
All right. Let's go.
They're good.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh, that'll make a great video.
Oh,
Step in front of my foot. Give yourself some traction.
Grab hold of the strap and it'll help pull you off.
Alright, yep.
There you go. Nice.
I know. You want to get up. Oh, it's right there. Right? Oh yeah, this? Yeah. Where you just like rip it up the side.
This is where his wheel stopped.
Wow.
That doesn't game this
I saw the hair and it's like, oh no. No.
Fun.
Yeah, picture's not going to do it justice at all. The video doesn't do it justice ever.
You have to never look steep in a picture or in a video.
I'm trying to get an angle from horizontal.
You want me to stand on the hill?
I got it over here.
Alright, who's going next?
Yeah,
Give it a whirl.
He's got a that cross-dresser, bar. Bar shark or something. It's probably got the torque to do it. Not saying, I'm just saying.
I'm a man lover.
We all are.
I like hardcore.
I got a wife in States and nobody will know.
Right?
Yeah.
You're taking half your day on it. I've been taking half your day for 2 years. Gotta get my boob job.
That doesn't look that deep right here.
Right? It's the lack of traction.
Yeah.
I know how hard.
I know. Just keep standing there and holding it.
That's why I tried to get down here.
Rachel and Dave, I guess.
Did you just come across them or?
Yeah, we came from where you guys came, and we heard them down there, and we were stopping to take a water break and hang out. And so we were just kind of hanging out up here. We could hear them kind of, you could kind of tell they were like thinking about it, talking about it. So we're like, well, let's hang out and see if one of them tries it. And then thank God that we did.
Yeah.
I mean, he stopped right where Gabe's feet are. Like, that's how high he made it. And then it started sliding back, and Gabe just dove. He just ran out there and grabbed the bike, and they both slid all the way down. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good thing you guys were under. Yeah, that's a long slide.
I think that's a first for you.
I think it is. You know, wasn't quite once you went up a cliff, but it was darn close.
Somebody bet him $200 he couldn't do it. He almost won the money. He was darn close.
I mean, I got up the hill, right? $200 he wouldn't try.
Well, that's a very steep hill, and I'm kind of surprised that he didn't make it, but you run out of power. It's a long one.
That guy right there.
Everybody that gets on the hook gets a sticker.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
I don't know where you want to put it, but on the bike would be great.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem. Well, thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there. Maybe we'll see you in the woods. Yeah, we just got done with the bike, and lo and behold, there's another recovery. So we're headed to Pucker Point. I don't know what it is, don't know what's going on. But nope, they might have it fixed.
Alright, we'll still come to you.
Well, we'll head that direction, see what happens. So she just had a light come on. she was using the brakes, and there's a little bit of mud in there, a little bit of water, and we think the sensor was just goofing up because the light's out now and everything seems to be fine.